Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am going to do a quick show me. I got this on Amazon. If you'd like, I'll put the link in the description. But I wanted to show you, these are so many stickers. If you are like me and never grew up and still love stickers, you might enjoy these. So I'm just going to do a flip through so you could see. They've got different flowers, streams, a lot of, I don't know what this one is called. There is a taste in the world. Trust the seeds you are planting. I don't know. Oh, watercolor stickers. So that's what these are. There's 50 is what they're saying, but it looks like it's more than 50 to me. I could be so wrong. But it's got some just leaves and some streams, and you'll see things change along the way. So you can do pictures with these. You can do ATC cards. My next video I'm gonna do is my plan with me for this week. So if you wanna see that, make sure you are subscribed. I love this. I think the pink is what my theme will be this week in my planner. I just really thought it was pretty. Here's some camping, getting into camping there. Some butterflies, and you can use these to make cards. You can use them to make, like I said, ATC cards, journaling, junk journaling, although this is not junk at all. Look at how pretty, super pretty. We've got more, this is a stream with some mountains in the background, some little floral. This is super cute. Which way are you going? Now we're getting into like gardening type of showings. And then here like a porch. Just so pretty. The wildflowers. Here's some more. Look at that beautiful porch. I'll probably use that actually. And then look at this mailbox. Just start building on these little stickers and you can make some great art. It's just fun to play with stickers. I have more stickers than I can imagine, but I just love to see the new stuff that's out. And when I found these, look at that. Who doesn't love being like out in a cabin in the woods? And just going into some fall, some hiking, camping, more. This would be great for like a scrapbook, right? If you go camping, you might want to use these type of stickers. Ooh, look at pretty. Some roses here. There's some birds. There's been butterflies all throughout. Now we're getting more into fall again. But this is really, really like autumn fall. Changing of the leaves, pumpkins. Got some more scenery here. It's a great little picket fence. And then now we're getting into winter. Got some igloos, now some camping again, or cabins again, but with a snowier background. Look at these. And you can't really tell where the lines are. You can on this side. See, you can see that it's almost there. So you know that it is cut. And there you go. And they've got like a frosted color. So it's not going to just, you're not going to see all the line in the background. It's going to show you some, you know, lighter. And then look at this. This is like an Alaska type thing here. Some more. We've got some polar bears. And, ooh, look at this. That looks like we're, well, I was going to say it looks like we're in another country. Or Catalina. But look at that little teacup there. Some beautiful, getting into blue. This is very like islandy. Look at that. So pretty. Got some drinks there. More island. Oh my goodness. Now I'm trying to think, do I want to do an island theme or do I want to do that pink? I think I'm going to go with pink. We've got some lavender with purple flowers. Again, there's butterflies just throughout. Some more. I mean, this has to be more than 50 pages, or I mean 50 pieces. Like, maybe they're saying pages? I don't know. Look at that Eiffel Tower there. A little column with some macarons. So pretty. And like I said, like if you're using these for planners or a spread, it does all the work for you. You've got all this color. So there's, ooh, that was a firework. So if you heard that, there's a windmill here. This is a larger picture of that one. Yeah, here's a small, and then here it is, larger. So nice. And look at that. Beautiful, beautiful butterfly. Oh, look at this, a little telephone booth, but it's pink, along with a pink suitcase. So pretty. This is the first time I'm sitting down and looking at them. I did flip through real quick, of course, when it came in the package. But I'll definitely put the link for you from Amazon in case you wanted to get it, because this isn't the only one. They had so many, but this is the one I thought would go best with what my plans are in using the planner. So again, please, if you like this, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see how I use these, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell so it'll let you know when the video comes up. And I will talk to you later. Bye!
Like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and hit that